Hello everyone. In this video I will let you know some of the tips on how to make money online, that is by leveraging on the customers online. If someone says that you could earn money by doing nothing, please don't believe that. It requires your time investment to understand the online users and earn money by adding value to them. First thing, understand the fact that according to 2014 statistics, there are over 2.9 billion internet users. That is more than 1/3 portion of world's population. Among them, some are adding value and earning money, and some are taking that value and paying money as simple as it could be. Most of us are aware of how to earn money through job, real estate, shops, restaurants, etc., which takes most of our time. So let's see on the other side how to make money online. YouTube. This is the best one that I like the most because it requires very minimal capital to start and you could earn great money. If you think that you have a hidden talent, maybe a good trainer, artist, chef, singer, dancer, anything that you think people would love, then start making your own videos and upload on YouTube. On these videos, ads can be displayed and you can earn money. Creating smartphone apps. With the increased number of smartphone users, there is always an opportunity to create the apps which customers would need. All you need to do is identify a common issue which your apps can help in providing a solution. Blogging. You may be a good blogger. If you think so, start writing your own blogs and publish in free website that would allow you to write your own blogs. Once you feel that people like your blogs, you can start your own personal blog or website and display ads to generate money. Buying and selling domain names. Domain names is like online real estate now. With increased online users and increased number of websites, there is always a need for great domain names. Though most of the best domain names are already taken, you could still look for some of the catchy and best domain names and buy them. Later someone may come to you to buy that for a higher price. Affiliate marketing. Beauty of this is you don't need to own the product. Say if you have a website and if you can attract customers to your website, then you can simply become an affiliate. Affiliate is a person who gets paid for the product he promotes and sells. You only need to sign up for an affiliate program with companies and start selling with a specific link provided to you. Freelancing. You could be a freelancer if you are expert in your respective profession. There are many freelance website designers, programmers, etc. Website templates. If you are a great website designer, then there are a lot of customers waiting for those great templates. You could create great website themes and earn money by that. Stocks and forex trading. This may look a bit riskier and there are always ups and downs. You need to do a bit of research on this before starting so that you don't burn your hands. Online training websites. You can start your own training websites, be it programming, cooking, education courses, etc. In these websites, you can provide space for ads so that the advertisers pay for you. There are still many more options available out there. These are some of the best ones. With the gift of internet, it is no more required to work for 40 years to make a living. Everyone is smart, so work on your dreams than on someone else's dreams. Happy earning. Hope this has helped. Please post your feedback in the comment section. Thanks.